Result, the string. String UTF-8 if false. Okay. All right. Either maybe not nothing. There we go. Oh, this is wrong. There we go. Yeah, invoke it. Cool. Cool, and app. There we go. Cool. Okay. So in here, and print line should work. Yep. I thought. Oh, wait. No. Oh, this is incorrect. And just be clear. No, I'm pretty sure it's native. No, effect. There we go. Row effect. That's it. There we go. And I'll put it there. Cool. And now in here, that's good. And create window. I can't go to definition. Source lib. Actually, come on, give me this. Here we go. Okay. Alright. What are you complaining about? Oh, of course. Now, oh yeah, of course, doesn't work. So it's like a factor bind, right? Ooh. I actually don't remember. Can you do this in PureScript? Wait. Ah, what's the type signature? It's, yeah, no, it's forward bind. Okay. So, there we go. There we go. Cool. I'm just curious. Oh, that happens to work, I think, because it does nothing. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay. Cool. All right. Great. Okay. So now, okay, so if we run this, I mean, nothing should happen. Yeah. But it would be interesting. I wonder if we can trigger an error. This thing returns. No, that's not correct. Maybe. That's the danger with FFIs. Yeah, no, he doesn't like it anymore. Let's just do this instead. Hang on, this is not how you do it. I mean, this is, no, you're always supposed to do this, I think. You're always supposed to do this. So, yeah, this is not used, exactly. That's, this is something along these lines. Now this will work, of course. Now this will work. Really? Oh. Alright, of course. There we go. Cool. Run this. What? Why is there a... Wait, what? Do we? Huh. Hang on. I'm sorry, what? Just a message with information about the specific error that was occurred or an empty string. Oh, if there had... Okay, yeah. Like, that's the... Wait, let me think here. It means, oh right, of course. Let's, yeah. Of course. So let's see. It can it be? I was mixing, of course. The pointer can be null, or the null terminal string, an empty string is not. This is not null. This would still be a pointer, but it would point to a 0. Okay, let's see. Can it return null? You must check the return, blah, 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 blah. You must not use the results of to decide if... Wait, what? Oh, okay, this is interesting. The message only... Oh, it's only pickable when it's... Okay, alright. That's interesting. You must check the return values. Ooh, that's interesting. You must not use the result of to decide if an error has occurred. Okay. That's good to know. Sometimes we'll set an error string. Right. Okay. Will not clear the error string for successful. You must check the result. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Well, all right. Well, what I would do then is is that bad? Because I'm thinking this should return a result type. Is that bad? Because like we are abstracting, in that case we are abstracting away this, but then we can make sure it's only used, like it is used after this, but only when this signals an error. Okay. Okay. I am leaning towards that. Just a message with the information about the specific error has occurred, or an empty string if there hasn't been an error message set since the last call to clear error. What is this? Clear the previous error message for this thread. Oh, okay. But like, okay. I'm thinking if we get an error, we don't want to continue. Okay. That's really good to know. We cannot use getError to check for errors. That's okay. That's good to know. So there are a few paths forward. One is just to expose this and let the programmer have to deal with this. I don't like that. I think that I think these things should be abstracted away. Another thing is that so one path is to say, okay, this thing can return a result, and so this thing has to handle checking for this, and if it gets an error, then it does this, and then there are two possibilities. Either it crashes, it can crash, or it returns a result. Those are two possibilities. I'm thinking it's better to return a result. Because why do I think that? I'm thinking that because maybe the programmer wants to do their own messaging at that point, whatever, like it grants more flexibility. I think so, yeah. I think so, yeah. Okay. All right. Let's do a let's create a result type. Okay. All right. I'm thinking also we just get rid of this. There's no point. I don't think there's a point in. No. we're just gonna get rid of this. Get rid of this. Okay. And we let's see here. Yeah, get rid of this. There we go. And I'm also thinking that we're gonna want like a continuation monad soon to handle automatic cleanup and things like that. I'm curious, actually. I was thinking here. I was thinking, if I have this, so let's see. We're doing flat map, passing this, the second argument of flat map, and everything that comes afterwards is a lambda. Right. Okay, so for automatic cleanup, the bind that does all this would have to, let's see, it would have to do, yeah, no, I think a continuation monad is, I think we want the continuation. Well, I'm pretty sure we do want the continuation monad. Okay, so I'm gonna write a to do here. And we're gonna rephrase this a little bit. So we're not doing this. We're going to rephrase this a little bit. Something like that. Okay, sure. And then, oh yeah. Continuation monad. Okay. I think these are the two things that we want next. Cool. I'm actually a little bit tired. I think I'm gonna take a break. But oh yeah, also turn. Yeah. There we go. Okay. We can do. There we go. Cool. All right. And I think we will call it there for now.